Okay, so this one is looking at how to access the storage for mapping, and you're going to use the same contract here shown on the screen. And if we come up a couple of levels, I've actually written a script here called TT4. No, that's not right. It's called slots. Slots.js. So what this does is apply the formula here, key plus position, which is how we find out the slot, and then we use what we've previously seen with a big number and the get storage at. So the key is the actual key in the mapping. So what we're doing here is we're taking the two accounts we've got, which is Coinbase and accounts 1, and then we're adding 1. I think that might be, let me just check. Okay, so that should actually be 0. So if this should be 0 here, so let's change that to 0. Okay, so 0 because it's the first position, and let's just see now what happens when we run that. So we've run the program already, we've set up some balances as shown in the earlier video, and I'm now going to run the slots.js, and we'll see what we get for the output. So we get deck out as 5,000 and then deck out 1 as 1,000, which is what we would expect. So this is now taking these figures down here at the bottom, and if we looked at the other values, if we looked at output 1, we would see the actual, let's just try that. So we're seeing the actual value here in storage. So this video is applying everything we've learned in the earlier cases. Let's just put that back on the screen. So we take the 63 zeros and we add the position 0, 1, 2 and so forth according to where it's coded in the smart contract, and then we apply this same principle here, key plus position. And that concludes this video.